Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sound on TikTok. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to make sure that the sound you want to go and use and add to TikTok is a part of video. So if you just got a sound file, so you have to make sure the sound within a video in your phone's gallery. Then what you can do is you can use the any app like CapCut. Just open the CapCut application here, then add your picture or video here. After you have done that, you can come back to the TikTok application, and then you already got the sound of a video. Click on the plus button in the bottom and tap on this camera icon in the bottom left. Now select the video that the sounds in, and then you can tap on this post. Now click on post here. Now click on the video you just posted. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and you will see your sound. Now other people can go and use the sound. You can go and use it in your own videos. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.